Monday work bag will be the Coach Empire 40 in black. This one, I've loaded it up for work. Let me show you what I have inside. It's not quite full yet. I still have a couple of bits to put in. Coffee cup, water bottle, lunch. And let me show you how style there. This is it. I have a couple of charms going on here. Chain is from Coach. Scarf is from TK Maxx. This pom pom is from M&S, and that is from Vindula London. So I'm having a black and red theme going on tomorrow. Tell me, what do you think of the Empire bags? And do you carry them for work? Tell me in the comments. This is your bag bestie. I style bags and outfits to stay unique at work. What about you? If you're intentional about your work bags, my friends, you are in the right place.